Mama Jenny here from Mama Jenny's Mexican Journey, and welcome back to my channel. Let's journey. There are three primary towns that make up Lakeside in Jalisco. They are Chapala, Ajijic, and Jocotepec. Today we will visit Jocotepec, playfully called Joco. This is another town favored by expats. Jocotepec shares the lake with Chapala and Ajijic. This is a charming little town, and I want to take you with me. Let's drive there. Jocotepec is notably more touristy than the other two towns, Chapala and Ajijic. They even have a tourist zone. Along the streets entering into the town are several restaurants, and there are also people kind of directing you into their restaurants with menus in their hands and prompting you to turn in and eat. And we did. This is where we had lunch at a restaurant called El Carnal. They have a shark, and they tried to eat us. Just kidding. Anyway, on my journey, I noticed that most restaurants have an area dedicated for children to play. So sweet. This is at their restaurant as well, a place for a photo op. I never miss an opportunity. Jocotepec has a party boat on their side of the lake. This party boat runs on Saturdays and Sundays only for now. Big difference from the other two towns. So now with full bellies, we will continue our journey. Next stop, the Malecon. Let's enjoy the ride. We're here. Entering the Malecon, we are met by this great big ginormous statue of this man. I think he's a fisherman of some sort. Let's just call it an interesting sight. If anyone knows any more about him, drop it in the comments, please. Again, the children are well taken care of. Jocotepec has a roller coaster, so different from the other towns, and many artifacts that are dotted all over the Malecon area. I'm going to share with you just three. If you watch my other two videos, one on Chapala and one on Ajijic, you'll see how Jocotepec is totally different. This is a feature of the Malecon. It's an area with these statues of fishes. At night they light up, and because they have water spouts, they produce a water show. They also have areas where you can sit during the daytime when the water's not on and relax. I wish I could have hung around long enough that evening to see the water show and the light show. But this is what it all looks like when it's all together and all lit up. The Malecon area provides an environment where you can take a nature walk or ride your bike or jog, or little kids can ride their trikes or just enjoy nature. Very nice. Let's drone up. So there we are, YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me on my journey to Jocotepec. Wouldn't you agree that it's uniquely different than Chapala and Ajijic in its own way? Why? It has its own tourist zone, a party boat, and a roller coaster, and yet it remains lakeside. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and please share.